I don't know about you, but I've always got heaps of leftover paint. Here's a way that we can use it up. So I need to talk you through this one because it's going to be a bit difficult to explain in the description what I'm doing. I've got a white pearl base there that I'm tipping into the cups. I'm doing a diptych, as you can see. So that's a pearl mix I've mixed up with my pearl pouring medium. White, probably Jo Sonja white, and I think I put a little bit of burnt umber in that one just to tone it down a little bit. I don't like things really stark white. This is gold. I had a whole lot of leftover golds and bronze. I just mixed them all together. And that's white. Then I'm putting back over top again. So these are all pearl mixes because I don't often use just plain acrylic. This one is leftovers. It's a sort of a chocolate brown, I suppose you'd call it, from one of my Gold Fever series, leftover pours. So I'm putting white in between them all because I want it mostly white, but I want a little hint of colour. So these are just going to be flip cups. As I say, they're all pearl mixes. Welcome to Tess and also Anne-Marie from over in Dublin. I know you're going to be watching. I hope you enjoy it. This is a real pale, like a fawn. I've done nothing with these leftovers, like I haven't added anything else to them, so they may not be the full pearl strength. I just wanted to see what would happen really, but I did test it out on a little piece and it worked pretty good, so I thought, right, I'm going to do this for my Gold Fever series, so that's what I've done. I'm going to move the canvases here and try and make room. It's a good idea when you're flipping your cups to try and have your elbow up against your side so that you're not flopping. There's another one. And I'm just going to tip them out, and you'll see me trying to match up the lines and that come in them. But I'll leave you to watch this now, and I'll put some music on. So I'm just getting that lined up there. Got it pretty good. I'm real happy with that. Applause please. The next part is the Dutch pour, which I didn't get this first strip recorded for you, but you'll see what I do later on with the other two pours, Dutch pours that I do. That was the Jo Sonja Gold, just with my normal pouring medium. and that's titanium white Joe Sonja with my normal pouring medium. I'm just going to blow that out, and then we'll go to the next bit, and I'll let you know what I was putting in that Dutch pour part. So when you're doing your blowout, make sure you just do one pass. The more that you go over it in one area with your blow dryer, the more likely you are to get mud and no definition. So we're going to go to the next Dutch pour area up the top here. I've made up a burnt umber. It's the pearl mix as well. That's the only, I made up the white and burnt umber. They were the only two I made up for this painting. The rest of them were all leftovers. And then we're going to go in with the ones that we had in the base coat. This is the light fawn colour. I don't really know what to call them, they're leftovers. This is the chocolatey brown. And then we're going to go with the gold over top. So they're all the pearl mixes. And then we're going to go in with our titanium white, which is just golden gloss pouring medium and Floetrol. And we'll put the gold over top of that as well, the Joe Sonja gold. So golden gloss pouring medium and Floetrol in those two, in the wee squirter bottles. And then we'll blow that out, and I'll do another one in the centre and she'll be done. So I'll let you listen to some music while we're doing that. A big thank you for joining me in my happy place. I hope to see you all again soon. Have a great day. Bye for now.